Hello, I'm Clive. This is a short video about an app I've written that introduces the basics of algebraic fractions. It gives you the opportunity to practice some basic standard algebraic fractions, and it hides the answers. You try the question and then you press a button to reveal it. If you want more practice, you just press the button and try a new question. I hope you find it useful. If you want to contact me about this video, either asking some questions about its content or want to ask a question about a related topic, just contact me on the link below. Also, the link to the app is given in the information below. Thanks. To get to the Algebraic Fractions practice application, go to the Maths app main menu, then select Pure. Then within the Pure Mathematics menu, select Algebraic Fractions. This is the introductory page, and there are several pages with successively more challenging and sophisticated exercises to try. So you always navigate by selecting the option at the bottom. Let's go to page 2, and this is adding algebraic fractions with different denominators. With all of these, try the question, then check your answer by showing the answer. A number of the problems have a suggestion or a hint below the question. So in this case, find a common denominator and combine the numerators. After you've tried the question, show the answer. Then if you want to practice again, click on a new problem, try it, and show the answer. The next algebraic fraction topic is partial fraction decomposition. Now this is very useful and important in A-level maths. So this should be something you want to practice quite a bit after you've mastered the addition of algebraic fractions. And again, there's a hint on how to start solving such a question. Again, try it, show the answer. Then have another problem. The next topic is some more challenging questions identified according to the level of difficulty. The medium level on page 5 is where you want to simplify an algebraic expression, and in this case the order or highest power of the numerator is greater than the denominator. So you have to think, how are you going to do this? Well, one possible way is to factor both the numerator and denominator and cancel any common factors. In this case, the numerator does factorize into x minus 1 and x plus 4, so you can cancel the common factor of x minus 1. Again, you can practice with another problem. And finally, if the numerator doesn't contain a common factor with what's on the denominator, in this case y plus 1, and you can check that by using the factor theorem of y equals minus 1 and substitute that into the numerator. So in this case you need to perform the division, and the application says that the answer is this quadratic followed by this number over the original denominator. Notice that the numerator must always be an order of 1 less than the denominator. Again, once you practice that, try it again with a new problem. And that's the end of the options you have currently available under algebraic fraction testing.